Hello, good morning to everyone. Today we are start fifth question of exercise 10.1. Okay, we already learned in previous class how to find perimeter of a closed figure. What is perimeter? Perimeter mean sum of all sides. All sides. Sum of all sides. Now question number 5. In the question number 5 it is given a rectangular piece of a land. Okay, it is a rectangular given a piece of land, okay, of a land or measures 0.7 kilometer. It means length is 0.7 kilometer. So length of rectangular land 0.7 kilometer and breadth is 0.5 kilometer. Okay, length is 0.7 kilometer and breadth is 0.5 kilometer. So we have to find each side is to be fenced with 4 rows. Yes, we have, suppose it is a rectangular land, okay, and we want to fence it. If you will fence like this one, so it is fencing we are using. Understand or not? That is meaning what we are using, it's a perimeter. Perimeter. But in the question is given each side to be fenced how many times? 4 times. 4 rows. That means 1 row it is 1 times, and if we will find 4 times, so total perimeter 4 into total perimeter of this one. Because can you understand it? Because in the question is given every side has to be fenced how many times? 4 times. If we will 1 times, so it is perimeter. Again 2 times, again second time it is we are fencing. So what is total length? Perimeter into 2 times. Here only 2 rows to be fenced 2 times. But in the question is given we have to fence how many times? 4 rows. 4 rows mean we are using 4 times. So multiply 4 into perimeter of rectangular float. We will write 2 into 0.7 plus 0.5. Both are in kilometer. It's okay. So 2 into 0.7. It is 7 plus 5, 12, decimal 1.2. So what is come? It is 2.4 kilometer. It is the perimeter of rectangular land. But in the question is given, we need each side to write, each side is to be fenced with 4 rows, because this is the answer for only 1 rows, but total how many rows? 4 rows, right? Therefore total length of wire, how much? 4 multiply how much? 4 multiply perimeter of rectangular plot or land, you can write. So it's mean if you want to find total length, how will you find? After this one you can write here. So equal to 4 multiply how much? 4 into perimeter of rectangular land. Perimeter is 2.4. How much? So 4, that is come 9.6 kilometer. So what is total length? 9.6. Are you understand why we multiplied 4 times? Because fencing is 4 times, not 1 time. Okay, that is your answer. Understand? Next is yes. Now note down some more. Everyone know what is triangle. Triangle is a closed figure in which it is a triangle in which 3 sides. Understand or not? So first there is a 3 types of triangle. First is scalene triangle. a triangle whose all sides are different. Whose all sides are different. Different mean like this one. One is 4, one is 5, one is 6. All are different. Second, next is what we call isosceles. Isosceles triangle. A triangle whose two sides are equal. If in a triangle two sides are equal, it is 5, so it is also 5 and it is 4. So a triangle whose two sides are equal, it is called isosceles triangle. Third is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle? A triangle whose all sides are equal. All sides are equal. It means 5, 5, 5. So these are the three types of triangle. Always remember this one. Okay. Now we will use this. Next is so remember always one formula always. Perimeter mean perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. How to find perimeter of figure? How will you find sum of all sides? Okay. So question number 6. It only one part I will explain it. Rest of do yourself. First is B part. Find the perimeter each of the following shape. An equilateral triangle. Yes, equilateral mean beta all sides are equal. An equilateral triangle of side is 9. Which means 9, 9, 9. Understand or not? You write perimeter of equilateral triangle. How much? Equal to sum of all sides. You can write. You write what is perimeter? Sum of all sides. 9 plus 9 plus 9 equal to 27. It is given centimeter. It is centimeter given, so it is answer is also in centimeter. Otherwise, you can write equilateral triangle mean 9 into how many times? So 3 into side. Okay. You can write the perimeter of the triangle also. You can write equal to, or you can write 3 into side. Only in equilateral, because in equilateral means all sides are equal. So 3 into 9, 27. 9 is 3 times. Okay. So this one you can find. Rest of two part do yourself. Okay. In C part, what is given? In C part, an isosceles. Isosceles means two sides are equal. What is given? With side isosceles with equal side 8. So equal side means 8, 8. And next is third is 6 side. So find its perimeter. Perimeter how will you find? Perimeter means sum of all sides. 6 plus 8 plus 8. You can find yourself. Okay. So do yourself this question. Question number 7. Find the perimeter of triangle. So you can find yourself same as it is question. Now question number 8. Before question number 8, you should know what is regular hexagon. What is regular hexagon? You can say that a closed figure whose all 6 sides are equal. तो closed regular hexagon, hexagon mean 6 side and regular mean equal. तो 6 side equal 1 2 3 4 5 6. So remember A B C D E F. It is regular hexagon. Hexagon mean all sides are equal. So now question number 8. So note down it. Okay, and so we will use this one. Find question number 8. Find the perimeter of a regular hexagon with each side. So measuring 8. So write each side of regular hexagon. How much? It is given. How much given? 8 meter. 8 meter. You can make figure also if you want to make. Yes, every side is 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. It means each side is equal, and in a regular hexagon, how many sides? 6. So total perimeter is 8 into 6. You can write perimeter of regular hexagon. How much? How much you will find? To write 6 into side. Because why we write 6 into side? Because in a regular hexagon total side 6 and it is, and total side is 6, and how much side? 6 into 8. How much? 48 meter. It is perimeter of. Only one simple thing is remember, perimeter means sum of all side. You can write like this one also, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. How much come? 48 meter. Okay, very simple question. Next is given, find the side of a square. We has to find the side of a square whose perimeter. Yes, square mean all side is equal. But in the question is given, so and side suppose A and A. Yes, all side are equal. And perimeter is how much given? 20. Now perimeter, in the previous question we already given side, we have to find perimeter. Now perimeter is given, we have to find side. So we write, so you can say that let side of square. How much? Because we want to find side, so suppose it is A. Understand? Let, to write, in the question is given perimeter of square. How much given? 20 meter. And tell me one thing, it is also perimeter, and it is also perimeter formula. It is also perimeter of square. It is also perimeter of square. It means it is also perimeter. It is also perimeter. It means both are equal. So what is perimeter of square? 4 into side, perimeter equal to 20. Yes, very simple things. Understand? Next, tell me what you want to find. We want to find side. Side, how can you find? If we remove from 4 here, we can find side. So it means if you want to find side, so we have to remove 4. How will you remove 4? How will you remove 4? Yes, like this one you will remove. No, it is wrong. 4 into side. Yes, if it is 4, how can you remove this one? If I divide it 4 cancel 4. Yes, it is removed. So both sides, you can write both side divide by 4. Divide by 4 because we want to remove 4. That's why 4 divided by 4 cancel. So 4 into side. So both side remove. Always we will divide or multiply both side by same number. In equivalent fraction we already done. Now 20 divided by 4. Understand? Otherwise, one simple thing you can remember, if you don't want to do, multiply another side, divide. Yes. So 4 cancel 4. So side equal to 20 by 4. Yes. What I told you, if you don't want to write, multiply another side, divide. So when 4 goes another side, 20 divided by 4. Yes. Otherwise you can do this one. Both are right. Okay. Now cut 4, 5. So what is side? Side is 5 meter. Side is 5 meter answer. Okay. You can check it. You can verify your answer also. If side is 5, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, how much come? 20. Yes. That it means our answer is right. Understand? Okay. So next question. So remember, because perimeter of square 20 and perimeter of square formula 4 into side equal to 20. Understand? Next, dear. Next is 10th question. Now you have to remember regular pentagon also. Regular pentagon. Everyone know, I think, pentagon. Pentagon means a closed figure in which have 5 sides. देखो, always remember, if 3 side triangle, 4 side quadrilateral, 5 side pentagon, and 6 side hexagon, we already know. So right, a closed figure. Regular mean always all equal side. Okay, a closed figure whose all 5 sides are equal. So it is figure. It is only 5 sides. So what is side? Regular mean all A. So what is perimeter? So you can write perimeter of regular pentagon. How much? How will you find? If it is a square mean all side. 4 into, in a square how many side? 4. So 4 into side. Same as it is in pentagon. Perimeter mean sum of all sides. A plus A plus A plus A. How many times? 5A. So write 5 into side. If it is pentagon given. If it is given regular. If it is not regular given, it means this side plus this side plus this side plus this side plus this side. Understand? So note down it. This formula. Perimeter of regular pentagon 5. So what is given in question? The perimeter of regular pentagon is 100. So it is given to write. In the question is given perimeter. Then find. Then we have to find how long it is each side. Whatever you want to find, always consider. So write let side of regular pentagon. How much is A? You can consider A, X, B, Y, Z, N. Okay. To write perimeter of regular pentagon. So perimeter of regular pentagon. How much given? 100 meter. And everyone know perimeter of regular pentagon how much? 5 into side equal to how much? It is also perimeter. It is 100. Only we put a formula. Perimeter of regular pentagon how much? 5 into side. And it is equal to 100 given. Now we want to find better again side. If we want to find side, so it means we have to remove 5. 5 how will you remove? Like this one? No, it is wrong. You cannot rub. So it means if 5 divide by 5, 5 cancel 5. So it means it can be cancelled. So it means you can write divide both side by 5. So 5 into side, divide both side, not one side, and divide by 5. 5 cancel 5. So side equal to 100 divided by 5. How much? It is 20 meter. And another method, it is or direct you can find 5 into side equal to 100. What I told you? Multiply another side, always divide. Divide become multiply. Multiply become another side. Multiply another side become divide. 100 divide by 5. Look at 100 by 5. 100 by 5. What I told you? 5 another side divide. So 100 by 5. So it is removed. Otherwise you can do this method. It is original method. Okay. So it is your answer. So always remember, if we change the sign, multiply another side, divide another side, multiply. Same as it is. Positive another side, negative another side, positive. Always remember. Okay. Actually, all the question is very simple in this exercise. Next is, beta, a piece of string is 30 centimeter long. Okay. Only one part I will. Question number 11, A part. A piece of string is 30 centimeter. What is length of this string? 30 centimeter. And what will be the length of each side if the string is used from? Yes, tell me. You have given a string. Okay, it is a string 30 centimeter. So we have to find out what is length of each side if string is used to form a square. Tell me, can you make square by using of this string? Yes, why not? Like this one, we can make like this one. Can we fold it in shape of square or not? Yes, it is like this. 1 second. Yes, it is a string given, and from this string can we make a square? Yes, like this one. We will fold along like this one. This one or not? Can we make? Yes, we can. We can use this string. We will fold it and we can make a square. So we will write, suppose using of this string we are making a square. And when we fold it, so side is A. Yes. So what is length of side? We have to find a length. To write length. So first we will write total length of string. How much? 30 centimeter. And tell me, using of this string length, you know this is a string, so it means it is its perimeter or not? Perimeter means total length, and if you will use its square like this one, square or rectangle, so where is its perimeter? Perimeter means what is the total length of a string. So same as it is, total length of string is 30 centimeter. It is a square. So write, let side of square, because we are making A. So we will write, so always perimeter of square. How much perimeter? This perimeter. How much perimeter of square? This square we are using of this string. So it means perimeter of square equal to the length of string. Yes, because same perimeter is made by this strength, because this square is made by this string. And how much length of string? 30. So it means perimeter of square 4 into side equal to length of string 30. And we want to find side. And if you want to find side, it means we have to remove 4. What I told you, multiply another side, divide. So side equal to 30 divided by 4. What is 2? 15. And 15 divided by 2, it is come 7.5 centimeter. What is length of each? 7.5 centimeter. Understand? Now B part. B part, same as it is. B part, In B part, we make a triangle, equilateral triangle. By equilateral triangle mean each side is equal, A. So left side of equilateral triangle, how much is A? And if now you are folding this string in triangle, so it means total length of string equal to total perimeter of equilateral triangle. And everyone know equilateral triangle means perimeter 3 into side. So 3 into side equal to length of string 30. So side multiply another side, divide. So what is come? It is 10 centimeter. Same as it is. Can you find another part? Yes. So same as it is. Up to question number 11 we already finished. Now we will find, you will do yes, question number 16, do yourself. Next is okay, and try more questions. Okay, so thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Have a good day.